Tuesday, February the 4th, 2025, about 2:14 in the afternoon, down here close to downtown Foley, and looking at the walkover bridge, fountain and stuff over there. The Hotel Magnolia, that's what I want to show you. First we'll just look at this fence. See the pine cones and different things on it. Got ears of corn. Pretty neat fence. It's got lions up here at the top. This is the gate to go in it, and this is her. It's a gorgeous place. That's what the yard looks like. You see, this is a two-story old southern mansion looking place. Got little steps right there. It's got that rug. Sleeping lion. Another sleeping lion. And here is their front door. How beautiful is this? I really like it. And then it's a nice sitting area down to that side. You can see. We'll come back down to this end, and it's got a little bit of a seating area there. They got these great big windows, big shutters here in case they get a storm. Got stairs here. All right, and this just comes down to here. You see these big sunflowers. And as we come out, we got these lions are here. All right, and then back here in this courtyard, you see the fence continue on back here. They got this little fountain running, little place you could sit and have a lunch or something. Neat little tables. Even got that design in the chair. Check that out. And then here they got all these bells. Got a big one there at the bottom. Then they get smaller as they progressively go up. And here's what it looks like behind. So you can see it's just a nice sitting area. Beautiful porches all the way around. So I wanted to start the video with that. All right, here we are at the gates getting ready to walk out of here. And then you see there's an old Bel Air Chevy right there. Take you around it. I took some pictures of this. Look at them old white walls. She's worn a little bit, yeah, it's true. But here, let me show you the inside. Hopefully you see some of that. Here's the back seat. It looks equally as good. And then the old back glass here. Here, let's look inside this way. And look at that paint. Look how sparkly that paint is. Very, very nice. And there you can see it's a Bel Air. Here she is from the back end. And right at the side. Very nice. All right, we're going to just walk through some neighborhoods and things and see what we can find. All right, now here I've walked just one block down from where we were, and then you can see these gorgeous trees here. Look at all these limbs. I'm going to walk you over here, and we'll just take a look up at some of these limbs and stuff in the shade. Check this out, how they just go out in the street and meet the other tree and stuff. And they got several of these down through here. Really nice limb out there. And then here, I'll just give you a little shot right there. Pretty nice, huh? Let's go see if we can find some more. I walk down the street a little ways and come across this beauty. Take a look at all these limbs here, going every which way, up and out and around. And look at the bark on this. Here, let me see if I can get close to this. Show you. Look at that. I mean, that is sticking out. Here, look, let me show you. There's my finger. Look at that. And we got another one here. It's a lot skinnier, but it's got some nice limbs. And then there's some right down here we'll go look at. All right, this is the next target I was telling you about. Look at these limbs here, and especially look at this one going out all the way across. And here, look down this street down there, and you see those two down there. Those are nice. And then right here, as we keep going, it's a decent house right there. Got a nice fence. But look at the limbs in this tree. You can see just how far they go out. And then this one, its neighbor right here, and look, goes well over into this yard, goes out into the street right about out in the middle, and then down there's a couple more. Let's get just a hair closer to them. All right, now I'm just down here a little bit more, and you can see this tree here. It's not as big as those others. That limb right there though is really nice still. You can see all the little ferns and the different things that grows on this to help sort make some of the Spanish moss. And then its neighbor right there, and you can see that one's a pretty nice one as well, all by itself. And then last but not least, before I run out of battery power here, and I'll have to switch this battery out, but that tree right there, that's in somebody's yard, so I'm gonna walk on that. But I do want to get here as close as I can and show that to you. And that's got really nice limbs. Beautiful looking tree. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the walk of the trees there. Alright, we're walking down Mackenzie, which is sort of the main drag that goes through here. And you can see this mural on this building right here. We've got these things flipping in the wind here. Might get a little noise out here. Here's the Foley Coffee Shop, Southern Home Style Cooking. You can see the railroad better this way too. You see up there at the top of the sign, it says breakfast served all day, plate lunches, sandwiches and short orders, homemade desserts, and then takeout as well.
And get the other side of it.
Now here's what it looks like. It looks like they're closing up. There's a woman in there cleaning. 49-cent coffee all day Wednesday. And then here's their deals that they offer. Pretty cool. Girl in there working. Here's a sign they got out here. And here's the art, local art here. See if all the art center. See that right there? And it is right here. Pretty flowers. There's the sign right there. That makes it official. Got these green out here. You see right there's the walkover right there. Show you this fence back here. See, they got these flowers and butterflies painted on this fence, and it goes around to this side. So I'll just swoop out here and show you the whole thing. And there you go. Alright, so there's that. Now there's the Magnolia. That's where we started this video at. Here's the walkway. We're going to go up there and head over to the park. Alright, now here we're under the bridge. You see Mackenzie Street there. You see the clock tower right there. And somebody asked me before if this had an elevator, and I said it didn't, because I'd never come over to it, but here it is. Let's see what it takes for it to open up. Okay, there you go. You only got one option of two. Doors closed. The lights in here. Oh my goodness! Here, there's the stairs. Yeah, look, we get a look through the ride up. How cool is that? And we're about to ding ding. There's the coffee shop that I just shot down there for you. And right here is the out. Right there's the Magnolia from up top. Again, you can see in the car that I shot. And right here is the bridge. We'll walk across that. And then I'll give you a look. I took some pictures earlier and I took some time lapses off of this bridge here for the traffic. So I'll try to add all this stuff together and just make one nice video out of it. As far as with a GoPro, I've never shot this stuff from this up this high. I have on my Spectre and other things, but here you go. Right there's the fountain. There's the time clock right there. You see the train over there. That's all you can see is the engine. And then the gazebo is over there. And with that, that's pretty much what you need to see. And well, here, right down there, you see a place to sit right there. All right, let's head down and see what we got. All right, so we're in the other elevator on the other side, and we're going down. So I'm shooting the whole way down this way. Here comes the stairs. There, and you see some ground. And there we are in the dark. Just flip around to the doors, and here we are out. All right, and there's the clock over there. Here's the fountain right over here. Let's go get some sound of that fountain, okay? I think you might like that, because get away from that noisy traffic and the Magnolia over there. But here it is. And here, I'll get behind it. We'll get the water sound now. Take a listen. Alright, there's the whole fountain right there, the walkway, everything. Alright, now, I just wanted to show you, I've shot this in other times past with my Spectre Air and my Mini, I believe. But you see those two palm trees there, and then right here is a gazebo with them. And just one palm tree. I don't think I've ever shot the inside of this thing. So I wanted to do that. So if you follow along with me, you've seen this before, but like so on the inside, you haven't seen too much of it. So you've got beadboard ceiling painted green up here. It's pretty big. Let's see, I'm probably about in the middle. Yeah, I guess about right here where I'm standing. Should be in the middle. I'll just take you around to a 360 pan here so you can see the size of this. Clock tower's back there. Train station straight in front of us now. Palm trees right there. Couple gates over there. And as I spin back around this last bit right there, you are back where we started. Hope you enjoyed this little part. Alright, to bring this video to a close, I thought it appropriate to capture one more time here from the ground, this time with this GoPro. You see the train station right there, and you see the train right in front of us. If it don't move, we might get run over here, okay? But here, let's just come around this side. I just want to capture this with you up close and personal. Have a memory of it. Louisville and Nashville, you can see it's number 13. And there you can see, you could even get up on it if you could get that high, but that's pretty hard. But here, just from back here, there you go, and look at that sky, ain't that beautiful? And then we got this car, it's uncoupled from the train. You can see it's a Frisco SLSF 4722. It says shipping on Frisco, that says right there. Now we're in the shade under these nice little cool trees. You see, it goes all the way down through there. No trespassing on train after dark. L&N, the old reliable. Right down here it says L&N 18166. I guess that means something, but I don't know what it is. There we go. Got the highlights on there. How you doing? And here's the caboose. Watch your step. Here. We can take a look up at that. back out here a little bit. And look how big that is for train conductor setup in. And then here is the end of it. And here, let me see. There you go. Yeah, that's a good view right in there, ain't it? So you see sleeping quarters here on the left and the right. And then places to set up high up through there and there. Hopefully you can see that. And then to get off this easy-way, we just come this way, model trains. And I showed that to you once. I do want to go back to that before we leave this area and see it again. Alright, let's take a look here at the train depot itself. And again, we've been in here before. Just show you those through the window there. Pretty cool. It's a really nice building here. You see the fountain right here. Nice pretty little flowers they got planted in those pots there. And here you go. There she is with the train. Should be able to see some of that red caboose. It's a nice setting, is it not? I think it is. And then again, look, we got these beautiful flowers in February. And then this nice little fountain. Look at all the coins in here. More flowers there. And you see, I know I showed you the City of Foley sign before. So if you look at my old video, you'll see some of this. And here this is from this side. Pretty nice building, huh? I think it is. So just gonna walk down here, show you these couple of trees down through here. And then that's going to do it for the video. That's pretty much the whole park that I've shown you. And some of Foley. And a little bit of what it offers. There's a whole lot more. It is getting to be a busy little town, I can tell you that. And it is growing. This city is actually one of the top 10 top growth cities in the United States this year. It was that was said by U-Haul about it. See this little train they got here, made out of wood. These nice little trees. And this right here, this part of the building, this is where the model train is. You go in that door right there. It doesn't cost you anything. It's totally free. The guides never volunteer, so they're very nice. You see it says even right there, free admission. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 10 to 2. So if you have any inkling of liking model trains, it is so worth a visit, let me tell you. I can't even begin to tell you how worthy it is of a visit for you. But you can see here all the way down. And that's going to do it for this video. Like it, thumb it up, share it, comment. I always appreciate comments. And subscribe if you haven't. I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourself now.